Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Realme Narzo 50. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device you are having an issue related to the headphone jack, or you can say the earphone jack, you can solve this problem by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the headphone jack problem in your device Realme Narzo 50. Let's watch the video and solve the issue.